Hey guys, this is a Mixed Media Girl channel takeover. I'm here with Mixed Media Dad,
Hello.
Mixed Media Giraffe, and Mixed Media Guy. So what we're actually doing today is we're releasing 3 new packs of paint. We decided to actually put together our favorite colors and release them as packs to y'all's, right? So we're going to do a demo with them today. So Mixed Media Dad, his pack has Amethyst, Fairy Spit, Everglade Green, Emerald Green, Primary Red, and Gold. The Mixed Media Giraffe has Royal Purple, Fairy Spit, Razzle Dazzle, Turquoise, Electric Purple, and Electric Lime. And yours truly has Amethyst, Electric Purple, Emerald, Malibu Sky, Inferno Orange, and Fairy Dreams. So we're going to each do a flip cup of these, so we're going to bring you in a little closer and we're going to get going with that. Stay tuned. All right, so here we go. And I just noticed it's funny, we're going to be doing this without any black or white because we're just using the sides.
Yeah.
We're going rogue today, ladies and gentlemen. So guys, fire away. We need about 6.5 to 7 ounces in our cups here, and we each have measuring cups so we can actually put the correct amount in there. How exciting is that? Guys, feel free to talk as you go and let everyone know what you're doing. Or say hi.
I'm going to put gold on the bottom because when I flip it, it'll come out on the top.
Amen.
I like gold.
I did electric lime because why not?
And I'm basing with my Fairy Dreams myself, which is a rose gold.
Ooh.
Yeah.
How many ounces did you say, Johnny?
6.5 to 7.
Oh,
And the ounces are on the side of the cup there.
that's good.
Yeah, we got to use the fancy measuring cups today.
I'm excited about this being a flip cup because I heard this fairy spit creates a ton of cells.
Yeah.
So it's one of my favorites because it creates cells, but I actually have never used it before. This will
What?
actually be my first time.
Whoa!
But
That's exciting.
I'm hopeful.
I'm hopeful
It's a
too.
gorgeous color.
It is a gorgeous color. That's one of my favorites.
No,
I mean,
it's
it's not in my pack. It's like the top 10. These are my top 6. It's in the top 10
It's in
for
the
me.
top 10. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
See, jeez. It's getting hot in here, ladies and gentlemen. Right. And of course, I have 2 purples in my pack because
So do I.
So do you. I know, right? And we both have the electric purple. I'm really interested to see just what these different color combos do because I mean, we all have metallics. Oh, go ahead, Dan.
Who knows?
Who knows? We all have metallics in ours, so that's going to be really. I mean, there's going to be cell action here for sure.
Yeah, I did a fairy spit too, so.
Yeah. Well, the fairy
Angle.
spit, and the fairy spit is like the metallic of metallics. Yeah, it'll be real interesting to see where that goes. And these, by the way, are 10 by 10 canvases that we are using. So the way we figured out the ounces is we did 10 by 10 is 100 square inches divided by 16 equals about 6.5-ish.
And by the way, they put me over by the paper towels so I know where they are if I need them. And they made me wear gloves,
That's right.
which
didn't
I
wear
wouldn't
gloves.
wear otherwise.
No gloves for the giraffe.
Well, you know, I paint with Mercy all day, so.
Yeah, fair point.
Maybe I'll put gloves on before we tilt because that can get a little messy. Not that I didn't already get messy.
So guys, as we're going along in the comments below, or at the end of this rather, let us know what you think of the paintings. And then again, we're going to be putting these up as sets in the Mixed Media Girl online store. So if you dig these and want to do your own playful creation with them, go to the store and check that out. Because
Here comes the flip.
oh, Dad's already ahead of the game, man. Look at this. And then you can let that sit for like a minute. Let the paint run out.
My
Yeah.
cup looks so cool.
It does. Oh my God,
That
your
looks
cup-
like something you could eat.
right?
And it's like, what's it got?
Like a
One of
fruit
those
cup or something.
Fruit cups.
Yeah.
Split of some sort.
And uncharacteristic to myself, I'm talking so much that I'm like last man here. Usually I'm like Speedy Gonzalez with these things. Alright, I just went ahead and did 7 it. Giraffe is flipping. And alright, here I go.
I put a barrier so you don't drip on mine.
Oh, is that what that is? I thought you were just trying to be all neat. Okay, fine. I see how it is. I see how it is, Giraffe.
I'm put purple on
Jeez.
Mm.
This looks like 90s,
It totally
TV.
does. Yeah, right? And then yours is definitely going to be very gold. I'm excited to see. I think it's going to be cool. I think colors are going to pop through the gold and it's going to accent the gold.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Well, also the gold's going to have a tendency to run down into
through
the other colors.
Totally.
Make the whole thing
Disperse them,
shimmery.
but we'll see.
All right, guys. What do you say on the count of 3?
Sure.
1, 2, 3. Oh! Well, that is just some. Wow.
Where's my green?
Where's your
All the
gold?
colors.
Where's the gold?
Wow, that's incredible, actually.
Actually, there's no gold.
That's hysterical.
Do we want a torch?
I'm not going to, but you can feel free. You know, you're the one that works in this office. I'm just kind of a visitor today.
I think I do. I love torch.
We do.
I do.
You're a fire chick, huh?
I torch everything.
I believe you.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. Cell action going on.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's going to be interesting to see everyone's technique for running the paint too. I am a fast runner, as everyone knows, pretty much at this point. That orange that I put in there really overtook quite a bit.
Yeah, the turquoise. I'm surprised.
Turquoise, right? Yeah.
There's very little other colors.
It's so funny. For the amount of purple I put in here, there's remarkably little purple.
Alright.
Dad, that is incredible that you're painting come out more gold, but it's nice. I like that.
I just want to know where all the gold went.
Let's-
2 ounces of gold and 1 ounce of everything else.
Yeah, right.
And the gold took over, and everything else took over.
Yeah. Now check this out. I got some the fairy dreams are poking through with some cells out all of a sudden. That's crazy.
Yeah.
And then you got.
They're beautiful.
Things are happening with mine. It's not done doing
I was gonna
anything.
say you torched it, so you're gonna be going for a minute there.
Yours is evolving.
Yeah.
It is, and it kind of
And
looks
it's
almost.
awesome.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
It's funny you use the word evolving because it makes me think of like a trilobite fossil.
Would you like to explain that to the viewers?
Oh, trilobites are like when you break open like the soft rocks and you see the little imprints of like insects from like however long ago. Those are called trilobites.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
It makes me
Didn't know you were getting a Discovery Channel episode as part of this video.
I did not.
Yeah, right. Cool, guys. We're going to let these sit for a bit, see how they develop, then we'll come back for a close-up. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So we're going to bring you in for a close-up now, and we're each going to go over our own. So we're going to start with Mixed Media Dad.
All right. So from my perspective, this is the lower right. This is the upper right. And this is the upper left.
All those
And the
fairies.
lower
Love those
left.
cells in there, Dad.
Fairies spitting this green. The green came.
Yeah, it's changed quite a bit from when I first poured it. I really like the reds and the greens and the golds together. And there's a lot of purple, which, yeah, I guess I got purple in there. Anyway, I think it's beautiful. The colors are all beautiful, and they seem to go together well.
So here's the overview of my painting. I love how it's turned out. We've got a lot of cells popping through that turquoise, thankfully. So the upper right-hand corner, that's the purples and the fairy spit. It made the whole thing look like it was all metallic. Like even this razzle dazzle looks metallic-y, and it is not.
That is wild.
And so we're gonna go down the right-hand side. We got some of those electric lime cells popping through. Across the bottom here. This is kind of geode-y looking on this corner, the lower left. Up the left-hand side.
It's beautiful.
More beautiful cells.
Gorgeous.
Couldn't be happier with this one.
So here's my overview. Things definitely popped and shifted a bunch on mine. I was surprised. So rose gold really came through, and everything's kind of highlighting it down in this. This is the lower right corner. Coming up here, and then got some random cells that popped up. Actually, these ones are like a pair of eyes with the emerald green and the fairy dreams, the rose gold. Coming up here, more cells. The things kind of shift a little bit over to the edge here. And now we get up here, we get into some cool colors with my purples and my blues representing. Coming on down, some cool, like, they're kind of like cells, I guess, but they're kind of like veins. It looks like veins in rock. And then down here with some, the green and the emerald and the fairy dreams really went together nice. I was super happy about that. All right, guys, so there you go. That was Mixed Media Dad, Mixed Media Giraffe, Mixed Media Guy, painting with our new, our favorites paint sets. That these are going to be available now on the Mixed Media Girl website, so there'll be a link in the description below to check that out. Let us know in the comments what you thought. Look for these in the store, and if you do a painting with these, feel free to drop a picture on the Facebook page in the comments or as a post or whatever. We just love to see what you do with these paints if you get your hands on them. So guys, until next time, I'm Mixed Media Guy, this is
Mixed Media Giraffe.
and
Mixed Media Dad.
we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.